So what you see here is a century plant. Century plants are also called agaves, and these are among my favorite types of plants in the whole world. There are several hundred species of agaves in all. The blue agave, for example, which is found further south into Mexico at higher elevations, that one is used for tequila and also for producing agave nectar. Let's see, further west as you get toward Big Bend, there are other agave species like the thorn-crested agave and the lechuguilla, which are in fact indicators of the Chihuahuan Desert. This particular species here is Agave americana. What's cool about this one is if you pull the thorns back, you'll get this fibrous rope-like material, which was used in fact for clothing by Native Americans for like thousands of years. In fact, Juan Diego's tilma it's actually made up of agave fibers. You can hear the raven out in the distance, I think. This big flowering stalk coming out of that agave is just that, it's the flower. So the agaves, or century plants, are also really neat examples of something called simulparity. And simulparity means you breed once and then you die. So all your life's energy goes toward making these big, huge, 30-foot tall flowers. And then after they flower, that's it. All their life's energy is spent and they die. So an animal equivalent to simulparity would be, like salmon, Pacific salmon that migrate upstream and reproduce and then they die. Now that being said, the agaves can also reproduce asexually. So if you look around this big plant, you see all the little ones that come up from the roots. So it's capable of asexual reproduction as well as sexual reproduction with this big, huge flowering stalk. And again, after it flowers, the actual plant dies, but the little buds that come up around it will live on. So there you have it, the century plant, otherwise known as the agave, very, very common throughout the desert southwest of the United States and into Mexico. And again, this particular species, Agave americana, is found in South Texas, parts of West Texas, and into the western part of the Texas Hill Country. Further south, you have the blue agave, I already mentioned, Agave lechuguilla, which is found in the Big Bend region of Texas. Until next time, guys, God bless, peace out, thanks for watching.